This is the Frugal Gardener, and today I want to ask you a question. How long do you hold on to your expired seeds? In other words, how long do you keep the seeds that are past the expiration date? Now, a lot of people will get new seeds every summer or every spring. Some people will just hold on to them until the expiration date. Expiration date is on the back of most of your seeds. These happen to be a quarter a pack, four for $1. And you notice the expiration date, I'm trying to get a clear shot of this, is December of 2016. So that's 7 years ago. Now, I'm using a tripod today because I want to have a little demonstration. I'm going to open this seed pack on camera. Remember now, this is a 25-cent pack of seeds. I have some seeds that are up to 10 years old. I haven't been able to locate those. I'll put my finger on them right away. So for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm just going to rip this open. I am going to use these cantaloupe seeds. I'm going to take a handful of these seeds, and I'm going to add these to the soil. See if I can get this done on camera. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, of course, I'm not going to grow cantaloupe in this container, but again, for demonstration purposes, we're going to use the cantaloupe. And these are tomatoes. Expiration date 12/16. I'm not sure again if you can see that, but there's the expiration date. Same thing. Now, you're probably asking, why don't you just buy new seeds? They're only a quarter. Well, first of all, that's not frugal. And second of all, the seed companies, like everybody else, I'm just opening these up on camera. The seed companies, like everybody else, want you to keep buying more of whatever it is they're selling. So years ago, they started using expiration dates. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same thing. I'm going to just lightly cover these. Cantaloupes, I'm going to have to cover a little deeper. I will water these, and we'll see what happens. Well, you'll see what happens. I already know what's going to happen. Point is this. A couple of years ago, there were seed shortages right around the time the first spring after the coronavirus hit. And everybody freaked out. Seed prices were through the roof if you could find the seeds that you wanted. And there's no guarantee that won't happen again. What happens if you do have a grid down situation, or if something bad happens and you can't get a hold of seeds? Think back to all those seeds you threw away. Now, the percentage of seeds that germinate drops per year, and it drops if they're not properly stored. I'll tell you a little secret. These seeds were kept in my mini refrigerator from the day they were purchased. I have over 500 packs of seeds. I use the newer seeds, but I hold on to the old seeds because if there's a situation where you can't buy seeds, even if one of these seeds germinates, if you get one tomato plant, one cantaloupe plant, or vine, and you get 5 tomatoes and 2 cantaloupes, that's more than what you had. If you throw the seeds away, you get 0. So that's my point. My question to you guys is, how many of these seeds do you think will germinate? Post your comments below and post your guesses below. I'll get back to you in a couple of weeks. This is the Frugal Gardener, and remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. I'll catch you guys on the next video.